go.
Here we go, qualification match 87, 13:23, quickly making it into the neutral zone area, 35:38, following up right behind them, going over the bump. Here they come up and over, 13:23 already with their second pass. Meanwhile, 35:38 going over towards the depot zone. Excellent autonomous by the Red Alliance, well over 100, as both Red Alliance members now into the neutral zone, ready to gobble up more fuel. 35:38 bumping up into 13:23, and there they go. Another volley before the end of their transition shift. It's over to Blue now, as Blue tries to cut into this lead from the Red Alliance. 6:24, passing up as much fuel as possible over to the Blue Alliance. 77:12 on target there, but look at all the fuel exiting the Blue Alliance side of the field. It looks like 1676 is now focused on doing exactly that for the Red Alliance. Red Alliance now active, and look at 35:38, 13:23 splitting the field, getting as much fuel as possible and clearing out, just scoring every second that is available. There are no cycles here. It just continues to get scored. 35:38 doing an excellent job. Here comes 13:23. Now good shooting from the corner as well. 400 in the past 435 in their first shift. We're back over to Glow for their second shift. 6:24 now passing over as much fuel as possible, but 1678, anything they're passed over, it's just getting passed right back out. 35:38 trying to clear the neutral zone. 13:23 trying to do the same. And now 6:24 clearing out as much fuel and stopping 13:23 from continuing to score. 35:38 and 13:23 able to pass through each other, or pass over each other, and continue to clean out. 35:38 maintaining their position on the Red Alliance side of the field. Now well over 500 as we're about to go into the end game. 13:23 and 35:38 making their way back over. Can we see another high score come out of this match? We'll see, only 30 seconds left. 77-12 playing some hard defense against the 13:23 robot, 32-38 RoboJackets, now clearing up any available fuel that's available on their side of the field. 13:23 with another complement of fuel, and here they go, scoring up high. Blue Alliance also scoring up high as well, but Red Alliance now walking away with this plus 700.